How to create poll on Instagram stories. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, obviously you have to open up your Instagram. After that, you have to tap on your story option, which is in the left upper corner. And from here you have to select the story which you want to post in your story. After selecting the story, you have to tap on the sticker option which is in the upper section, and here you'll be able to see the poll option. If you are not able to see the option, then you can simply tap on the search and search for poll. After finding the poll, you have to simply tap on it, and from here you can ask any question, and you can also add another option over here. After doing that, you have to simply tap on done, which is in the right upper corner, and by doing that you can adjust this poll anywhere in the story, and you can simply tap on your story option and your story will be published with poll. So by following this simple step, you can create poll on Instagram stories. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.